Hello, my name is Wilbert Wong, the bakery technician for Luzon of Pilmico Foods Corporation, the makers of Sun Moon Star Bread Flour and Wooden Spoon All-Purpose Flour. I'm here again to bring you a PanadHero recipe. For today's recipe, we will be using 200 grams silver 168, 4 grams salt, 6 grams Lihiya, and 60 grams water. To start, we put the flour in the bowl, add the Lihiya, the water, and then the salt. Mix that together till everything is melted. Okay, put bowl into the mixer. Then we're going to use paddle attachment. So now we turn on the mixer. We at speed 1. Then we slowly put in the solution. After you put in the solution, you will slowly notice that the mixture is going to turn a little bit yellowish. That's because of the Lihiya. It will turn the white flour into yellowish. So, you know you're done mixing. You see this semi-dry mix. Looks like a powder, and it's wet actually. Transfer that to another bowl. You then start compounding the dry mix. Just like that. You then take a piece of plastic, put inside. Yes, you can use cling wrap. Everything inside. If there's still a little more, put everything inside. Then from here, we compound it also. And compound it using hands. We compound it this way. And then we rest this for at least 30 minutes to an hour. Make sure it's well sealed. So after compounding, we're going for sheeting. This is the next stage of noodle production. I'm going to start with a semi-open ruler. And here we go. Make sure you fold it up. Now it's time to thin down the noodle. Okay, that's our last thing. We're going to cut the noodles. I'm going to cut the noodles. So, it's now time to boil our noodles. Turn over the noodles from time to time for even cooking. So at this point, our noodles are already cooked. Then, soak it in cold water to wash the starches. Then drain. Then drain the noodles. Transfer to a bowl. Put some oil to prevent them from sticking. Then mix it. Incorporate the oil so that it won't stick together. And there you have it. Fresh Miki Noodles. So, I hope you enjoyed that recipe. Until our next PanadHero recipe. Thank you. Bye!